Welcome to another tutorial. In this video, I will show you how you can create an install and review campaign to get Android app installs and reviews. So let's get started. First, visit TaskyStore.com. Navigate to the main menu and click the dashboard button. Again, click on the main menu and then click Create Campaign, then choose Install and Review. On the campaign creation page, click on the input box. In this input box, you need to enter your app's package name to search for the app and choose the app. Or you can also search for the app using its name. Now choose the quantity of the campaign, the number of installs and reviews you want to get from the campaign. For this tutorial, I chose 50. Next, you need to add steps for this campaign. This is a very important setting for this campaign. This is where you define what users will do and what steps for your campaign. What would be their task for the campaign? Click the Add Steps button and choose the option you like. For this tutorial, I chose Direct Install. Again, click the Add Steps button and choose based on your needs. I chose Open and use the app for 2 minutes. While the campaign's purpose is to get app reviews, I added these steps. For non-dropping app reviews, these steps are recommended. Click the Create Campaign button to create the campaign. You will see a success message. Now you can create another campaign or see all your campaigns by clicking the Show Campaigns button. Click the Details button to see the details of the campaign. All the users who joined your campaigns and completed the tasks can be seen here. For the app review campaign, you need to check reviews and click the Accept button to accept otherwise, request a review again, so that users can fix the review. That's it for this tutorial. Thank you for watching the video.